In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up self-employed business in TurboTax. By the end, you'll have your business section ready so you can smoothly enter income and expenses on your tax return. Start by opening TurboTax on your computer, or launch TurboTax online in your browser. Sign into your account so you land on the tax home screen. If you're starting fresh, click Start a New Return. If you've already begun a return, simply open that existing file to keep everything in one place. Next, head to the area where your business information lives. Go to Federal, then choose Income and Expenses. Scroll until you see Self-Employment Income and Expenses. Click Start or Review to jump into the self-employed setup. This is where TurboTax creates the framework for your business. When TurboTax asks about the kind of work you do, select Self-Employed or I have self-employment income. This tells the program to add the business section that flows to Schedule C on your return. You'll now create your business profile. Enter your business name, choose the business type, select an industry category, and write a short description of what you do. Keep it clear and accurate. If you're unsure about the industry, pick the closest match. This helps TurboTax tailor questions and deductions to your line of work. If you haven't started your return yet and need access to TurboTax, use the link provided in the description to get started, then return to these steps. Continue with your business details. Add your business address, enter an employer identification number if you have one, and provide the date your business started. If you don't have an EIN, that's fine. Many sole proprietors use their personal information. For the start date, use the date you first began earning or incurring expenses for this business. Answer the remaining setup questions carefully so TurboTax can apply the right rules. Now set up your income sources. Choose how you receive payments, such as $1,099 NIEC for contractor income, $1,099K for payment platforms and card processors, cash income, or direct client payments. TurboTax will create a Schedule C behind the scenes and guide you to enter totals from each source. Keep your forms and records handy for accuracy. Before moving on, review everything. Confirm your business name, industry category, and income source selections. Small corrections now can save time later and improve the guidance you receive. When everything looks good, click. Continue to move on to entering your business income and expenses. You can always come back to edit if something changes. Thanks for watching.